It's definitely kind of hanging on by a thread, but let's see how it goes. I forgot to buckle my helmet. Alright. Are we recording? Yes, we are recording. Is it on there? I think it's on there. Oh no, that fell off again. I mean, I know it's hard because it's raining, but damn. The rain doesn't ruin my fucking GoPro, Jesus. I guess there's only one way to find out, guys, and that's just to roll with it. Hopefully everything don't get ruined, my phone and all that stuff, but I'll wait it out if I have to when I get there. But being on the highway is definitely a deal all in itself, we'll just say that. Hopefully it don't short out. Hopefully it makes it. I'm trying to keep it away from the rain, but the rain's following it. Son of a biscuit. I don't care. It's worth it. I honestly don't do enough things that make me happy, and riding my motorcycle is one of those things that makes me really happy, so I'm going to continue doing it for the rest of the day until I get home anyways. But yeah, hopefully, I'm just kind of hoping that it doesn't get destroyed, because I really can't afford to buy a new GoPro and I have to have one. That's a badass truck. You're looking at $500,000 probably for that fucking thing. It's still recording, so it's not as bad as it was when we were on the highway right now, but yeah, it's really like it's not even raining right now. Is it toast? I don't think so. Oh, it is toast. No, it's not toast. Nice. No technical riding today. I don't really care that it's raining. My only concern is my GoPro. But other than that, I don't really care. It's not bothering me much. I just got to make sure all my electronics are in line, because damn, that's cool. that's not good. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, have it your way. All right. Hopefully, we didn't ruin the GoPro. But let's take a gander. How you doing? It's going nice and rainy. Very rarely do I decide like I'm gonna ride my bike in the rain, but today, different day. Gotta do what you gotta do, man. Sometimes you just gotta ride. All right, we made it home in one piece, guys. I'm happy, man. I couldn't ask for more. That's what I asked the Lord for. That's what he gave me. And that, my friends, is how you have a one-on-one with the Lord. Look at that spider. You guys see it? See it? Man, that thing went somewhere. It probably crawled on my back. Look at that. This is what I was talking about. I wanted to do a walk-up on this bike. Look at the freaking headlights and stuff on that bike. Tell me that's not one of the coolest looking sport bikes ever built. I do want to get rid of the turn signals, but I'm not sure because I like the fact that people can see what way I'm going when they're looking head on at me. So I don't know about that yet. That or get tiny small ones that stick out but just barely. But look at the face of that bike. I mean, you really cannot say anything bad about this bike. This bike is a work of art. Check that thing out, man. Yeah, this is the tail I was talking about. They did the R1 tail. That's just so nice. It's so nice. And look at that tire, man. Also, check out my exhaust, guys. You guys know what it is. The iStunt Modify exhaust. Everybody wanted to hate on me for getting that exhaust, but I'll tell you this right now, this bike sounds great. I had no problems with that exhaust. It's amazing. And it was only $200, so if it's like if it gets a hole in it or something, I'll just buy a new one. Who cares? You know what I mean? I love how it's turning colors up here at the headers. Even dirty, this bike is just, damn, this thing looks good. Just a good looking bike, yeah, and if you look down in here, you can see the headers down there, they look good. Anyways, yep, this is the Yamaha R7, guy. I wonder if you can see the 2GK moto on it, if you look at it just right. That's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for riding along with me. I needed the company, and I hope I see you guys soon. I'm going to get in the house here, eat some food, and then I'm going to get to trying to learn how to edit some videos on the computer instead of my phone. We'll see you guys later. 2GK Moto, I'm out.